Hello everyone, I'm Rajat Pandya and welcome to our R&D lab and experience center. So this is the machine that started it all. This is an etching machine which is used to etch letters and numbers onto Indian Railways and stainless steel components. So coming to our next thing, this is our own welding machine which was made in 1997, and this is a Nikit brand. And coming to the components, so this is a diaphragm case, and this is done using TIG welding. These diaphragms are used in pressure gauges as seen in this image. This is a thermal battery used in missiles and aerospace. This is also welded using TIG. And this is a spiral hose assembly, which is flexible. Coming to the instrumentation bellows, these are double welded, and this is our whole lineup of flexi hoses, where this is nut welding, this is a stub and flange welding, and different sizes. And so this is the use case of flexi hose. Coming to our solid piping section, this is a reducer flange to pipe. This is a flange to flange reducer. This is an elbow to flange welding. This is spin tubes which are used in washing machines.
Hi, I am Bharat, head of the Nikit Engineers R&D lab.
So coming to our next component, this is a HVAC tube with dual welding. This has welding on the OD as well as the ID. And this is a port welding. These are used in fluid distributors. And this is aluminium MIG welding. The aluminium connectors which are welded using MIG. And this is an airplane fuel tank which was MIG welded, and this is aluminium which is used for Rafale fighter jets. And this is aluminium bus bar which are used in power distribution systems. This is welded using MIG. And these are panel boxes which are welded using TIG. And these are welded using TIG with filler. And this is a copper bus bar which is again welded using MIG and are used in power distribution systems.